In this video, I want to take you through the step-by-step process in how to set up a brand new Google Ads account. Because before you can start setting up Google Ads campaigns to market your business with Google Ads, you first need to have a Google Ads account, which is where you create your Google Ads campaigns. So in order to make this process as easy as possible, we're going to jump straight into a screen share so I can walk you through the step-by-step process for how you go about setting up your very own Google Ads account. So let's not waste any further time. Right now, let's jump into that screen share so I can walk you through this step-by-step process. So where you first want to be going to is you want to be going to ads.google.com. And this will take you to this starting screen. Now, what will happen in from here is obviously we want to be going into the Start Now button. And now, because I've run Google Ads campaigns before, I've got some extra accounts up here that I can go straight into. So you may not see this exact screen, especially if this is your first time in Google Ads. So what you want to be doing is you want to be going through and selecting this option, which is create a new Google Ads account. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to take you through the process of creating your first campaign through using the step-by-step process. Now, I have got other videos where I take you through and you skip this campaign creation. Now, the reason for why I do go down that process first is because when we're using this option of creating your first campaign is that it will actually set up what's called a smart campaign. Now, that is something that we would not recommend for you to set up, but the benefit of going through this process is that it does allow you to add in your Google Analytics and also link in your Google My Business profiles right from the very, very start. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be pausing this campaign and then you can go through and set up your other campaigns. So either way isn't wrong, but what we're going to be doing now is I'm just going to be showing you another way of doing it as to some of the other ways, which is what I'll usually do it through selecting the skip the campaign creation. So for this purpose of this example, I'm going to show you how to create your first campaign using this format. So just go through and click on this button here. And what this will do is that this will start to get you to recommending for you to set up your business name and also put in your business website. So we're going to be setting this up for Define Digital Academy. And then also too, you want to be putting in your website URL, and I've got my website URL in there. Now, there are other options. You could do like an app or business phone number, but we're going to be focused on advertising our URL. Then we want to go through and click next. And then from there, Google will go through and it's doing a selection. It's actually finding out some different Google Ads products that we have. So if we've got a Google Merchant Center, it's putting that in. If we've got a phone number, it'll add that in there. You can also link in, say for example, my YouTube channel, or you could link in your Google My Business profile. Let's just link in this one in here. So there's lots of different options you could do in there, as I was saying. But for this one right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip this one. But as I said, if you did select to link in your Google My Business profile or your YouTube channel or even your phone number, it's quite a simple step-by-step process. So we just go through and then click skip. And then from here, it's wanting us to put down what we're wanting to track in this campaign. So for us, the way that we want to focus this is that we focus on submitting lead forms. So what I've done is I've selected this option. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put through, we want to track when someone completes this form. So I've just gone through and added the URL. So we've got the Define Digital Academy and then it's that /contact. Then we click apply. Now what will happen in from here is that you'll actually see is that we'll get setup instructions in an email. Now that happens once we get to later down the track, and that gives us a code that we need to insert on our website. So the next part that we then go through and click next. And then from here, it's going to give us some options to set up our new campaign. Now, because I said we are going to be pausing this campaign because we don't want it to be a smart campaign. We want to set up our own search or Performance Max campaigns. We're just doing this to finalize the payment profiles and some of the conversion tracking setups. I don't want you to spend too much time on this ad copy or anything like this. So it's just a matter of we can go through and add in a couple of images. You know, once again, I'm just going to select any of these because we're not going to be using this campaign. And when it comes to the headlines, Google has given us some pre-recommended ones. But once again, we would usually go through and change this, but because we're going to be pausing this campaign, don't spend any time on here. Then we go through and click next. Now it will give you a prompt and you will need to fill this in. Otherwise you will get an error of you need to add in some different search themes. So I'm just going to put one search theme in here and go through and click next. And once again, as I've been saying time and time again, we're just going through the process here. So we're happy just to go through and click next again. Now you do need to cut through and set a budget. Don't be worried about it. Just select next for the recommended budget, because because the next part that we need to get to is that we need to go through and enter in our payment details. Now, the reason for why this is so important is because obviously Google won't allow your campaigns to run until you've set up these payment details. Now, mine have been pre-entered in here. I obviously won't be sharing those details, but you just need to go through and set up a payments profile and also add in your payment method. And then from there, you can go through and click submit. The next important step is that we need to set up a Google tag on our website. And this is so that we can get the tracking data here. So we just go through and click next. And what you want to be going in through here is that you need to copy this and you need to go through, and as it says through here, is that you need to add this on every page of your website. So this is something that you should be able to easily do yourself, but if not, you may need to get the person who set up your website. You may need to send this through to them. But this is a very, very important step because we need to make sure that we've got this data being recorded straight away right from the start of our campaign. Otherwise, we won't have the accurate data to be able to know exactly how we are going to be going about and optimizing our campaign, because if we don't have that data, we won't have the correct data to optimize. Obviously for here, I won't go through and do this test installation, so we're just going to close this down, but that is something that you will need to do. And then from there, you've now come into your new Google Ads account. So the first thing that we do need to go through and do here is that we obviously want to go through and pause this campaign. And the reason for why we want to pause that campaign is because, as I said, we want to now go through and set up a search campaign or a Performance Max campaign. So just really make sure that you've gone through and paused that first campaign, because if you don't do that, it will start running within that first 24, 48 hours. The next part of what we want to do through here, so you can actually see that we've got our Google Ads account already set up. And you can also see that we've already gone through and set up our initial conversion actions. What we need to go through and do now is that we need to also link in our Google Analytics account. And the way that you go through and do this is if you go over to this admin button and go to linked accounts, we want to go through and we want to be selecting Google Analytics GA4 and click on link Google Analytics account. Now, the one thing that I do need to say in through here is if you don't have your Google Analytics account set up first, you will need to go through and do that. So the way that you would do that is just go into Google again and go to Google Analytics. Now, because I've already got an account, this is already happening in here. But if you don't have that, you can just go into admin. And then from there, you want to go through and create an account. And then it's going through the same process of where you add in your account name. And we'll add this in here. Go through and click next. And then it's just a matter of going through and adding in your property details. Now, I'm not going to set this in again because you'll be adding in your URL because I've already got a Google Analytics property for this account. So I don't need to go through this process again. The next thing you need to do is add in your property name. You also want to make sure that you've got your property details set up correctly. Now, the one thing that I will note in through here as well is that you can't change this later. So make sure that you are happy with the reporting time zone and also the currency. And then from there, you go to next. Now, all of these options there, you can go through and add these in. We're just going to say we're in marketing. We're just going to say we're in business industrial. We can put in the size of our company. As we said before, we want to generate leads. You can put in your other ones in through here as well. And then from there, you do need to put it across to the correct country that you've got. And then you want to go through and accept this service agreement. And then what you need to do from there is that you need to, obviously we're going to be doing this for a website, and then it is a matter of what you do need to do is you need to put in your website URL in there. Now, I won't be doing this because I've already got this set up correctly, but it is quite a simple process in that you add in this website URL in through here. And then from there, similar to what we did with the Google Ads tag, you will get a Google Analytics tag and you need to add that into your website. Now, once you are already in Google Analytics, you want to be going into admin and then you go into your data streams. And then when you go into this data stream, you need to go through and you need to copy this measurement ID and add that into your website. Well, then from there, as long as you're linked into the same email for the Google Ads and Analytics, this website will pop up. It's just a matter of clicking on the website and adding that link. And then from there, we are done in that we have set up our Google Ads account. We've paused that first campaign because remember, we don't want that to be running. And then we've also set up our initial conversion actions and also linked in our Google Analytics. So we are ready to go. So that's the step-by-step process that you can use to set up your Google Ads account. And then I also took you through the steps on how to set up your analytics profile and link it through to your Google Ads account, and also set up that initial conversion action. So you're now ready to go. So the next step of what you want to do is that you then need to come to set up your first campaign. And if you're ready to set up your first Google Ads campaign, what I want you to do is I want you to go through and follow the link in the description below. And that's where you can download my Google Ads campaign setup guide. And that's going to take you through all the steps in how to set up your very first campaign in Google Ads. Once again, thank you for joining me. It's been a pleasure having you here. My name is Aaron Young and I'm from Define Digital Academy. And if you want to see a step-by-step process in how to also go through and set up your first Google Ads search campaign, I want you to go through and watch this video right here. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.